CRW, CR2, CR3, JPG, HEIF, TIFF. If you use a Canon camera, you've probably seen these formats. And if you've ever been organizing your footage and suddenly realize you deleted the wrong photo or clip, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how RecoveryFox AI can quickly bring them back with just a few clicks. Here's my test SD card, and you can see it contains different Canon photo formats. I'm going to delete one image of each format so we can run a real recovery test. Now let's open RecoveryFox AI. The interface is clean and very easy to use. If you haven't installed it yet, just head over to wonderfoxrecovery.com to download it. Just remember, after data loss, stop using the SD card immediately. Any new action, such as taking photos, formatting, or transferring files, can overwrite your deleted images. Also, always run the recovery software from a different drive than the one you're trying to recover. Alright, back to the process. On the startup interface, you'll see all available drives. I'm selecting G, which is my connected SanDisk SD card. The scan begins right away. First, RecoveryFox AI performs a quick scan, which usually finishes within seconds. After quick scan, the software will automatically move on to AI scan. This is a deeper, more advanced mode that can detect long-term deleted files and even reconstruct partially overwritten data fragments into complete images. Some people worry about privacy with AI scanning, so here's the good news. RecoveryFox AI's scan is fully local. It's only used to detect and reassemble lost data. Nothing is uploaded or stored anywhere. When you exit back to the home page, all scan records are cleared. The software even works offline. AI scan does take longer, but the software gives you options to improve efficiency. Before selecting the file location, you can open the settings panel and choose to skip certain file types to speed things up. Another really helpful feature is the ability to pause the AI scan anytime. You can pause, then instantly browse the scanned results by file path or file type. I just finished a full scan. Now it's time to check the scan results. Since the photos I deleted were removed just moments ago, Quick Scan is designed for retrieving recently lost files best, so let's view the Quick Scan folder first. And here they are, exactly the photos I just deleted. Everything shows up clearly, just like they were before deletion. But if you don't see the files you need in the Quick Scan folder, don't worry. Simply let the scan continue, and the full AI scan will dig deeper to find more long-term or hard-to-detect deleted files. Also, if a file fails to preview, it doesn't necessarily mean it's corrupted. Many images will open normally after you recover them. To recover your files, simply select the ones you want and hit Recover. Make sure to choose a different location when saving to avoid overwriting anything on the SD card. Now let's look at our recovered images. Perfect. Everything is fully restored. And the best part? Every recovered image is fully intact. Alright, that's all about how you can recover deleted Canon footage using RecoveryFox AI. This powerful data recovery tool supports far more than just Canon formats. It works with a wide range of file types and Windows devices. If you're looking for a reliable recovery solution, definitely give it a try. The unregistered version lets you scan and preview all recoverable files for free, so you can see your results before making any purchase. Try before you buy. Thanks for watching. I'm Rico. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and follow our channel. More great content is on the way.